do and does as auxiliary verbs. We use do and does as auxiliary verbs in the present simple. They help make questions and negative sentences. Example: do you like tea? Example: she does not like coffee. Do and does do not add meaning by themselves in questions. They show that the sentence is in the present simple. Example: do they play soccer? Example: does he play soccer? Use do with I, you, we, and they. Use do with I, you, we, and they. This is the normal form for these subjects in the present simple. Example: do I need a ticket? Example: do you live near the park? Example: do they work in this office? Use does with he, she, and it. Use does with he, she, and it. These subjects need does in questions and negative sentences. Example: does he drive a bus? Example: does she teach music? Example: does it rain here in winter? After does, use the base form of the verb. Do not add s to the main verb. Example: does Maria cook dinner? Example: does the dog sleep on the sofa? Questions with do and does. In questions, put do or does before the subject. Then use the base form of the verb. Example: do the children eat breakfast at 7? Example: does your sister read books at night? Negative sentences with do and does. Use do not or don't with I, you, we, and they. The short form don't is very common in speaking. Example: I don't drink soda. Example: they do not work on Sunday. Use does not or doesn't with he, she, and it. After doesn't, use the base form of the verb. Example: he doesn't eat meat. Example: the cat does not like water. Short answers. For short answers, use the same auxiliary from the question. Say yes, I do, or no, she doesn't. Example: do you like pizza? Example: does Anna play tennis? No, she doesn't. Examples: Do you walk to school? Do we need 2 chairs? Do they study English after lunch? Does your father cook pasta? Does the baby sleep in this room? Does Laura ride a bike? I don't watch TV in the morning. We do not open the shop on Monday. She doesn't wear a hat at school. The dog doesn't eat fish. Do the students have notebooks? Does the train stop here? Do your friends play basketball? My brother doesn't clean his room. Do you want an apple? Quiz. Choose an option. Do. Do. Do you drink coffee in the morning? Choose an option. Does. Does he work in a bank? Choose an option. Do. Do they live near the beach? Choose an option. Does. Does your mother drive a car? Choose an option. Don't. I don't like onions. Choose an option. Doesn't. She doesn't play the guitar. Choose an option. Do. Do we need milk? Choose an option. Does. Does the cat sleep on the chair? Choose an option. Do not. They do not eat meat. Choose an option. Does not. My sister does not watch horror movies. Choose an option. Does. Does Peter read the newspaper? Choose an option. Do. Do your friends speak English?